to the city.
Hello. Tweet, tweet, hello. Except we're gonna start sculpting a raven, so it's caw. I don't know how they sound. They may screech as far as I know. But I think I've got a bird brain by this time. Okay, we're gonna sculpt a raven. My thing is, I need to figure out how I'm gonna pose it. And I might call Joe in here in a little while because I need to balance it so that it won't tip. And the pose I'm thinking of might be a little difficult if I don't get it really well balanced. So I may need some wire for this, I don't know. So what I would like is to have it kind of like this. What do you think? If it's kind of like that. But I think I need some wire in there to hold that position, at least until it's baked, and of course I'm not going to take the wire out after that. These spools can be a pain. Alright. That's wire? I don't think it's... I don't want wire that's too... I can't find the ends. Oh, there it is. There it is. I do have wire snips over here. Why I'm not using them, I just don't know. I'll pull this back off. Yeah, I hope to smooth that out a bit. Okay. Can't make them too big, I guess. Cool if I could do him that way. Hi.
Hi.
Here's
I didn't do that.
yeah, you did it. It's all your
I
fault.
didn't do that.
I need it. Where'd my sketch go? That's not it.
This ain't it.
No, this is it. Okay. Alright, this isn't a great sketch, but I was thinking if I could put him on a kind of something looking like a stump. I don't know if it would need a wood stump or if we would make it out of clay. But the thing is being able to balance him. See what I mean? Balancing it on the stump so that it's not going to tip one way or the other. This is my problem. That's what I need to work out.
I don't know.
I don't either. Of course, it'll all be put together. It's not going to be like it's hanging out there free, but you don't want it tipping over forward or anything. Boy, this is not coming out too good.
I ate too much.
I know, me too.
Be cold.
Joe's full.
Yeah. I drank some chocolate milk. That didn't help.
Yeah, milk is filling.
Yeah. Ugh.
Wow. That other wing wasn't nearly this difficult. I think it's... I put some of this beading wire in here.
What's that? A wing?
It's supposed to be,
That's a big bird.
it's a raven. It's just... Okay, that's way too big of a wing.
Yeah.
Oops, that's got the... Alright. I messed up. Should have taken it off the other end.
Can you put a couple pieces of wire in here and have them stick out so you can insert it in a piece of wood?
I've... Out of here?
No,
I was...
that's the tail, ain't it?
Yeah, this... No, I mean out of here.
Yeah.
I was wondering about maybe a dowel. Wood would work. It'd have to be a very thin dowel. This wing is not cooperating.
I've got a small dowel.
Do you?
It's 1/8 of an inch.
Oh, that'd be about right.
But whether it would hold this bird up or not, I don't know. I think it would.
Well, the bird would be, and the dowel and everything would be attached to this. It'd be stability.
Are you going to stick it in now?
Well, before I'd bake it, I'd have to.
Alright, well, I'll go get it so I can hurry up.
Okay. Thank you, hon. Oh. Okay.
This is 1/8 inch,
Okay.
and this is 1/4.
I may need to make his head bigger, but
That's 1/4.
let's use the 1/8. But we're gonna need to use this. I don't know, is that too,
I can't see.
is that even in the right place, or?
Yeah.
See, Joe put this, turn around so they can, you put a dowel up through there. We made an opening with this thing. And he put a dowel up through there.
Now we just need to determine how much to cut off.
Yeah.
Leave enough so you can cut more off if you
Right. I keep coming up with these little breaks in here, but I know I'm going to be covering all this with that other, but I still want it fairly good. Maybe I'm not.
You're watching me and not.
Oh, well, that's true.
Okay, let's cut it off.
Yeah.
Let's use this one here. It ain't melt. I don't know how much.
Leave it a little longer so we can always cut it out more. Okay. Then the tail will go out like this, and I'll put his feet on. But this will be stuck down in.
Yeah.
So that will determine.
As long as the tail's not too straight.
Okay. I'm gonna quit messing with it for tonight and sign off. I'm just going to okay, well, he's going to be sitting on his perch. Somehow like this. I have to get his legs back here, but that will come tomorrow. So I don't think now is the right time to bake this yet. So. Well, that's it for tonight. It's going to take some editing, but I hope that you'll get a good idea of what our bird is going to be. He's going to take a couple of days. So, I love you. Smile and wave. There's yours. You take that out and you share it with somebody. I heard someone say today, if you smile first, it helps the other person smile back. And that just fit right along with what we say all the time. So you do that, and I will be back tomorrow. I hope. And hopefully we will do some more work on this. He's going to be broken up a little by the week. Alrighty, I just need to recharge my batteries once in a while too. So, we'll see you then. Love you. Good night.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the candle